Looking for the perfect router but overwhelmed by all the choices out there? Stick around because we're breaking down 5 popular models from the weakest to the absolute best to help you make the smartest buy. Let's kick things off with the most basic option in our lineup, the compact router from Mefape. While it's the most budget-friendly on our list, it also ranks lowest in terms of features, performance, and versatility. That said, it might still be a decent pick if you're just starting out with light-duty woodworking or small trimming tasks. This router packs an 800-watt motor and spins at a fixed 30,000 RPM, which sounds impressive on paper. It includes 15 router bits and a range of accessories right out of the box, which is definitely a plus. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it fairly user-friendly for beginners. However, it comes with a few major limitations. The fixed speed means no control over different materials or bit sizes, it only supports quarter-inch bits, and the fixed base restricts it to surface-level trimming rather than more complex routing jobs. And let's be honest, this isn't built for heavy use or long-term durability. If you're looking for a starter router for basic tasks and don't want to spend much, this could be your entry point. But if you want more power, flexibility, and reliability, keep watching, we've got way better options ahead. And don't forget, links to all the products featured in this review at the best prices are down in the description below. Up next is the Palm router from BOSCH, which earns the next spot in our ranking. It's a noticeable step up in refinement and usability from the Mefape, especially when it comes to precision work and handling. This router features variable speed control, letting you fine-tune the RPMs from 16,000 up to 35,000. It also has constant speed circuitry to maintain performance under load, plus a soft start feature to reduce kickback when you power it on. At just over 3 pounds, it's compact and incredibly easy to maneuver for detail work or edging. That said, it still has its limits. It's not as powerful as other routers in this list, and like the Mefape, it's stuck with a fixed base and quarter-inch collet. The shallow plunge depth also restricts its use in more complex woodworking tasks. If you're into lighter, more delicate woodworking like cabinetry or trim work, this BOSCH router might be your best friend. It's small, accurate, and smooth to operate. Like the video, smash that like button, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next review. Taking the middle spot in our ranking is this budget-friendly yet surprisingly capable router from Avid Power. It outperforms both the Mefape and the BOSCH in several key areas, especially when it comes to speed control and included accessories. With a variable speed motor and a broader RPM range, it gives you more flexibility for handling different materials and bit sizes. It supports both quarter and 3/8 inch bits, which is rare at this price point. It also comes with 5 router bits, guides, and even a dust hood, all in the box. But here's the catch. While it offers more power and features, it lacks premium refinements like constant speed control or a plunge base. The build quality is good for the price, but not on par with the higher-end models we'll look at next. If you're a hobbyist or weekend woodworker who wants more than just the basics without paying premium prices, this is a solid middle ground choice. It hits that sweet spot between cost and capability. Now we're stepping into the pro-grade category with DEWALT's cordless compact router. This one delivers freedom of movement and some seriously useful features for those who don't want to be tethered to a power cord. The motor is controlled with a variable speed dial, and it includes smart features like electronic speed feedback and an electronic brake for added control and safety. There are also bright LEDs built into the base for better visibility while you work, and the overall feel is sturdy and well balanced. On the downside, it's a bit heavier than the BOSCH or Avid Power, and you'll need to purchase a battery and charger separately. It's still a fixed base unit, so you won't get plunge functionality out of the box. If portability and precision are high on your list, this is a fantastic cordless option that delivers power without compromising usability. Whether you're on a job site or working in a shop with limited outlets, this tool keeps you mobile and productive. And finally, we've reached the top dog, the most powerful and feature-rich router in this lineup. Makita's plunge router is a professional-grade tool built for serious woodworking. This beast boasts a 3.25 horsepower motor and a depth capacity of nearly 3 inches. It comes with both quarter and half-inch collets for maximum bit flexibility. You've also got variable speed control, electronic feedback, a soft start feature, and even an electric brake. It's loaded with pro features that help deliver smooth, precise, and repeatable results every time. Naturally, all that power and functionality comes at a cost, both in price and in weight. At over 13 pounds, it's not something you'll want to use one-handed or for delicate trim work. It's built for depth cuts, large projects, and heavy-duty routing tasks. If you're a serious woodworker or a professional looking for the best plunge router for cabinetry, furniture making, or shaping large hardwood panels, this is it. It's the most capable router on our list, hands down. If you want to check out any of the routers we reviewed today, you'll find links to all of them in the description below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our latest reviews.